Long and short forms. Verb to be.
She is happy. She's happy. He is talking to the teacher. He's talking to the teacher. It is open now. It's open now. He is playing football. He's playing football. What is she doing? What's she doing? She is writing on the blackboard. She's writing on the blackboard. She is picking up the pencil. She's picking up the pencil. He is thin. He's thin. Where is the notebook? Where's the notebook? He is walking to school. He's walking to school.
Subject pronouns. He, she, and it.
Sally Smith is happy. She is happy. Tom Baker is in the classroom. He is in the classroom. The door is closed now. It is closed now. The blackboard is in the classroom. It is in the classroom. Carol Baker is reading a book. She is reading a book. Dick Johnson is opening the window. He is opening the window. And Johnson is thin. She is thin. The magazine is on the chair. It is on the chair. Bill Smith is talking to the teacher. He is talking to the teacher. Mary Green is walking to school. She is walking to school. Who's she? What's this? It's a ball. What's he doing? He's playing football. He's talking to the teacher. The window is closed now. Is she fat or thin? She is thin. Mary is walking to school. What's she doing? She's picking up the pen. He is sad. Where's the teacher? He's in the classroom. Tom Baker is in the classroom. He's reading a book. Mary Green is in the classroom. She's reading a book. The magazine is on the desk. It's open. Where is Sally Smith? She is in the classroom. She's in the classroom. Who's he? He's Dick Johnson. What's this? It's a window. What's Tom doing? He's talking to Mary. What's Mary doing? She's walking to the window. Did you like this video? If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos.